In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best budget treadmill 300 pounds available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best budget treadmill 300 pounds, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Our team conducts all types of experiments with the latest products to give a good idea to the audience. With all our experiences, we justify the quality of the newly released products. Our product researchers, through their experiences, provide an actual buying guide list that ensures 3 aspects in the market. These are focused and listed according to price, customers' review, and ratings. Only a real user can justify the quality of a product. Based on those number of users and our tests, we provide every detail, working procedure, and suggestion for opening options to choose the right one. Our review contents: camping and outdoor gear, gadgets and accessories, survival and technical gear, PC and gaming device, health and fitness, home appliance, tools, kitchen gadgets, and transportation. Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us. Your satisfaction gives us the motivation for uploading more awesome videos. If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.
Buying guide present top 8 best budget treadmill 300 pounds. Let's get started with the list of the best budget treadmill 300 pounds. Number 1. Lifespan TR1200i Folding Treadmill. In the world of fitness equipment, Lifespan is a well-known brand that has been delivering some good quality products to its customers for several years. When it comes to some top-notch treadmills, then why should it lag? Yes, we've included a great Lifespan model in our list of best budget treadmill 300 pounds called Lifespan TR1200i Folding Treadmill. Its amazing features can impress anyone. You can also find the features that are present in other expensive treadmills in this budget-friendly model. It comes with a 2.5 chp motor and offers a speed of 0.5 to 11 miles per hour, which is very effective for a jogger or walker. Also, it is compact enough and able to fit anywhere in the house. At the end of all your workouts, you can easily fold this treadmill if you want. The TR1200i comes with a 2-ply belt that is also durable. This belt is powered by 2.5 rollers.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 2. Exerpeutic TF1000 Walk to Fitness Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic TF1000 is another great treadmill that has come up with some amazing features for its customers. This model has been considered the most reliable fitness machine since its launch. This treadmill is suitable for those who want to use it for walking, as it has a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour. It comes with a display feature that lets you track the time elapsed, the total speed, the distance covered, and the number of calories burned. It has a scan mode that allows you to keep track of your progress without having to manually verify each task. You can also increase the speed by 0.1 kilometers with the help of its speed buttons. A great advantage of this treadmill is its sophistication, which allows you to know your heart rate. Its weight is 120 pounds, and it can support 400 pounds. It provides a warranty of 5 years to the customers. Overall, this is an awesome treadmill that you can choose without any confusion.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 3. Lifespan TR4000i Folding Treadmill. Lifespan TR4000i may be a 20-inch wide foldable and a portable treadmill with 13 ranges of adjustable inclines and multiple stages of decline. This suggests you may run very steep uphill or downhill throughout a more intense workout for weight loss. The 20-inch x 60-inch treadmill belt's length makes Lifespan TR4000i an oversized treadmill for 100 kilograms individuals and other people of all sizes. This 400-pound potential treadmill motor with non-stop responsibility horsepower of 325 HP can accelerate to 12 mph. This motor's horsepower is robust enough to support overweight and obese humans and remains durable. Lifespan TR4000i, one of the best budget treadmill 300 pounds individual can use. Comes with 21 different exercise programs for weight loss, healthful living, sports education, and pulse. It features, also collectively, the best storable treadmill. The first-rate way to start jogging when obese is to buy Lifespan TR4000i for home use.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 4. 3G Cardio Pro Runner Treadmill. Pro Runner Treadmill with treadmill going for walks belt size 20.5 inches. Is a folding treadmill with 350 pounds capacity, best treadmill for heavy people. This means it is uniquely the best treadmill with 350 pounds weight capacity of the runner or human beings from the other normal treadmills. As the first-rate treadmill for a 300 pounds person, its OrthoFlex shock suspension absorbs shocks and facilitates you to enjoy a low-impact stroll, especially if you have terrible knees. The 3.0 HP motor can speed up to 12 mph. A greater choice to engage in the course of high-speed excessive exercising for weight loss. Even its 15 ranges of incline are especially useful while you need to have a feel of uphill jogging.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 5. Exerpeutic TF1000 Ultra High Capacity. Exerpeutic TR1000 is a 20-inch wide treadmill meant to be employed with the aid of heavy people and other humans who've mobility problems. Its greater lengthy handrails provide stability to the overweight user when walking. It is one of the best treadmills for 500 pounds weight capacity treadmills list. TR1000 is moreover a walking treadmill for 400 kilos adults because its low 1.5 HP motor produces the most pace of 4 miles per hour. Furthermore, the treadmill's 400-pound weight capacity is sufficient to support truly fat humans who love taking walks on the treadmill. We can summarily say that TR1000 is the first-class best treadmill for over 300 pounds persons who need to lose muscle fat. The longer tread belt at 6.0 makes a quality treadmill for tall runners.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 6. Soul F63 Treadmill. Soul F63, a 400 pounds capability treadmill, is a robustly designed treadmill for obese people. It comes with an integrated tablet holder and USB ports on your tech gadgets. It capabilities a 22x60 treadmill for walks on the floor, which can keep any length of a heavy person. This strolling gadget with treadmill 400 pounds user capability has 15 adjustable inclines for any excessive uphill strolling for heavy people. Its heavy-duty 4 chp treadmill motor drives the treadmill close up to 12 miles per hour. A neck-breaking speed for plenty of heavy runners. One unexpected feature you'll discover in this treadmill for heavy guys is a cooling fan to cool the engine.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 7. Marcy Exercise Upright Fan Bike. Pi-High Indoor Cycling Bike Belt Drive Stationary Bicycle is equipped with amazing features to give you the best workouts. To start with, it has a large LCD monitor where you can check your speed, distance, time, calories burned, and other things. Also included are the adjustable and non-slip handlebars, which make them suitable for all members of your family. As compared to other spin bikes, this one is very easy to install and is also comfortable to use. Above all else though, it's very sturdy since it uses a heavy-duty steel frame and a 35 pounds flywheel.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 8. MaxKare Stationary Bike. MaxKare Stationary Bike uses magnetic resistance technology. And it is also equipped with emergency brakes to enhance your safety. Unlike other spin bikes, this one is very quiet, which means that you can even use it in your office. You will also find that it has a reliable LCD monitor and a tablet holder for entertainment as you exercise. The sturdy triangle steel frame enables it to support a maximum weight of up to 264 pounds. It also comes with transport wheels to enhance mobility. In terms of comfort, it features 4 adjustable handlebars plus a comfortable seat. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.